Hey guys, how's it going? We've got another cool horn battle today. So this is going to be big versus small. So I had a request actually from a couple different people to do a P3 versus a K5LA, and I never really thought about comparing the two just because they're so different. But it actually is going to be a good video because this, the P3, this is the smallest horn that Nathan Airchime offers when it comes to train horns. So you do have like your single chimes and like your, like a P2. But as far as three chimes go, I consider this the beginning of Nathan's train horns as far as being on locomotives goes. The P3 is a three chime, but it's a sandcast horn and it's the smallest horn three chime that they make. Then you move over to the K5LA. This horn is the largest that Airchime makes and probably the loudest. Now you do have like your K5LA or K5HL. Those maybe are a little louder. They're a more deeper tone than the K5LA. But when it comes to a K5 or K5LA, that's pretty much king for Nathan Airchime as far as train horns goes. And the P3 is the baby. So P3, you've got a 1, a 2, and a 4. And then a K5LA, you've got a 1, a 2, a 3A, a 4A, and a 5. So anyway, really good sounding horns, both of them. I love both. Like I said, the P3 is sandcast, so it's got more of a mellow tone. Whereas your K horn, it's got that K bell on it, so harsh, just in your face. Whereas the P horn is more, like I said, mellow, more of a laid back horn, I guess you might say. The K5 is very loud, P5 is very loud, but the K5 is definitely louder. So anyway, y'all enjoy this. Also, this K5 is a brand new K5. It's only like 2 weeks old, so brand new. And this is a Newcast P3, so it's on the newer side of things as well. Anyway, y'all enjoy this. This is the Newcast P3 versus a K5LA.